Well, I got my birthday wish. Snow for my birthday today, here in Virginia Beach. This is the last time we got snow like this was 5-6 years ago. And I don't shovel down here. I just got to get out to my car later. Anyways, anywhere 8 to 10 inches, they said. So this is a lot of snow for us. Yeah. They don't plow the roads around here either. So when it snows like this, you either have to have a four-wheel drive, which we have, or you need to just stay until it melts. Yeah. Saw a cat over here. Where is he? Hi there. What you doing? I see a tail over there. We got a cat under there? Oh, there you are. Hi. Go on the back porch and stay. I've made some beds for some of the neighborhood cats and put some water out and a little food. They stayed on the porch last night. So let me get my backyard. Black cat. A couple catties. Hi, what are you doing? They're staying on the porch they come on the porch and when it's cold and wet, so you gotta help them out a little bit, you know? Anyways, there's a bird up there somewhere. Okay, looks like it's a hot cocoa day today and tonight. I was going to try to build a snowman, but it's cold out here. So, anyways, this is Ron from Virginia Beach. Have a great day.